When selecting blackout zebra blinds for your living room, there are several key factors to consider. Room dimensions. Measure your living room windows carefully to ensure you choose the right size blinds that will fit your windows perfectly, providing optimal light control and a seamless, custom-made appearance. Fabric and opacity. Blackout zebra blinds come in a range of fabric options, each with varying degrees of opacity. Consider the level of light control you desire and choose a fabric that will effectively block out unwanted light. Mounting options. Blackout zebra blinds can be mounted inside the window frame, outside the frame, or even ceiling mounted, depending on your living room's architectural features and your personal preferences. Motorization. For added convenience, some blackout zebra blinds can be motorized, allowing you to control the blinds with the touch of a button or through voice commands. Maintenance and cleaning. Evaluate the ease of maintenance and cleaning for the blackout zebra blinds you're considering, as this will impact the long-term upkeep of your living room's window treatments. Please like, share and subscribe.